Hello folks, Raga here. Today's episode, I get my neighbor's electric bike, a tune-up. Yeah, buddy. Door open. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to get this door. See the gap up here? Not good. Not good. Oh boy. There we go. Put some screws or something in here and suck that board in a little bit. I don't know. It ain't get any better. Which one is it? Yeah. Yeah, when I moved in, this whole ceiling was falling down. So, definitely have done a ton of work. I have to figure this bike out here. Under the seat is a lever. This there's a lock in here that locks that battery in. Get it out. It just weighs a lot. This bike weighs a lot. Let's see if we can get it up in here now. Oh my God, it's wicked heavy. Whew. All right. Ready for tools? Anything good? Broken. Ridiculously large screwdrivers. Came right off. Is it? There we go. Wobbly. Crank arm. What do I have for tools? Oh, there's a 13. No, where's the 14? It's always the 14 millimeter in high demand. Alrighty. Shall we return with some tools? See how this goes. This is where the real money from YouTube is made. See, that one is torqued to spec now. My internal torqueometer. Just clicked. Torque to spec. Alrighty. How's everything else running on this puppy? Doing very good. Looks straight. Now what you want to do is put it on gear number 2 or 3. And let's see if it jumps back to number 1. It goes right back, we're good. If it hesitates, ain't hesitating, ain't falling off. Come right back. Push it into the spokes. Ooh, wants to jump off the spokes. It's not good. That is not good. What also is not good is our screwdriver selection. The screwdriver was there the whole time. Did get a new addition to the bike shop out there. Oh, handlebar holder. Oh man. Alright, everyone's favorite screws, the H and L. H is hard, like the low gear. Low gear is low gear. Just trying to get me low. There we go. Now I'm trying to push it off as hard as I can. So that's good. Now we're going to push it into second gear. Taking too long, taking too long, taking too long. Back up. Cable's loose. Give it a couple clicks. Second gear. Still don't want to hear it. One more click. Shifts down nice. You gotta hold it in the gear. Shifts down fast enough. One more click. Ooh, there's a nice shift. There we go. Look at that. Wonderful. Now I think we should tighten horns are we gonna open up? Probably should find the right size wrench. These axles here. Just trying to get a size on this puppy. Alright. Bigger than a 19. Smaller than a 15/16. It's adjustable wrench size. Those babies are cranked on there from the factory, and I can tell by looking at it. It's got those serrated washers. Ooh. I got that one to move a smidge. That's the juice. As far as we go. Switch to head mode. And these brakes almost go all the way to the grip. See what we can cause for trouble. Fender. And a 5mm on a ratchet sitting here. Ooh, definitely feels better. It's gonna grind though. If we can just get this caliper adjusted a little better. Those are pretty loose. Let's give these things a little wiggle, wiggle, a little jiggle, jiggle. Spin. Lightly apply the brakes. A little tighten there. A little tighten there. Please. much better. Sparkle brake system. There we go. And you hear that click. That is the torque spec. Yeah. Much better now. How about the front? Front's the same thing. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll aim that little opening to the top. Tighten the lock nut so that whole face is up. Don't go crazy. It should be tight. Keep the brakes feeling better. Now, do I have any lube out here? Go to the garage. Is this gonna stay? Smidge. Much better. The adjustment looks and feels good, so I'm not gonna mess with this one. Am I gonna be able to sneak my wrench in here at all? It's our 15 on one of these. There we go. Good. Much better brakes. Shifting feels much better. Put these dust caps back on. Freewheel's good. Every bike mechanic's favorite thing to do. Tightening the pedals. And grab the tire. Let the chain do its thing. That was fun. That bike's pretty clean. You miss anything? Sure, these spokes are fine. Cricketing the spokes. They feel fine. There's a slight Should we just mess with that front brake a little bit? Should have about a 5mm wrench. Just go for it. I'm not sure if I have any cable ferrules. No, my bike needs one. Yeah, I'm doing all free. I like to always give them a little spin so they don't go back to its same setting. A little tighten. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Yeah, when it comes to those brakes, you want to be scientific. See, I made it worse. You can see the wobble in it now. Come on. Just brakes adjusted perfect. Come on. Boom. Have a nice day. We're gonna have to get more money out of them. Is he one? Is there one in there? It's crazy. Looks like I'm gonna have to order some cable ends. I'm not getting that on there. They're not Felchos, but they work good. You like that touch? All right, brakes, spokes, everything's tight. Let's get this thing back on the ground. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh my God, it's heavy. The headset feel. That does feel good. Oh no. This ain't good. I need more tools. Stand down. Let's go like that. Let's figure this seat thing out. So if we don't put some grease in there. Lucky. Such a jerk. Come on. Oh my God, that's the trick right there. Squeeze it. Nobody likes a stuck seat. Let's go, we'll go a long way. Let's see if we can spin this thing around or something. There's a little lock right there. Boop. And it slides in this rail. We're ready. Click. Looks like that's how the seat has to be. I guess we can just go down with it. No, it's not right. I'm just gonna have to put it like that. We'll just put it like that. How about that? Needs to be tighter. Extra grease off. All right, we need a 4mm. Let's make sure these are tight. What else we got? These things, we need it. Find the right size. Is that it? Oop. You know what happens when you work on someone's stuff? The one thing you don't touch or look at or miss, coming back to haunt you. All right, now I need to find a 4mm. I need to go crazy. 2 4mm bolts here. Perfect. Now what? So we should have done this up in the stand. T27? No bueno? Little goes a long way. Tight. Missed that one. Let it go low. Tight. 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 I think we're looking good. Certainly feels good now. Now we gotta go ride it. Oh, we gotta turn it on. Key. Hold this button in. And this thing comes alive. Look, this thing has throttle too, so I can just give it some throttle. Oh my God, we're going. We're going. We're going. It's full throttle. Oh my God, this thing's flying. How much power can we go? 4? Holy moly. That thing's ridiculous. We're at full power. Oh my. Can I give it more power with the thumb? Nope. Probably use a better gear though. Oh my God, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. It's like effortless. Oh, I need me one of these. I need me one of these. Ooh, brakes feel good. And we're doing 20 miles an hour. 21, 21.5, 21.7. Woo! Don't hit me. Leia. Oh, nice. Oh my God, was that fun? Oh yeah. I'll be taking this for a cruise. Oh yeah, I gotta go lock up. I go lock up. You say hi to everybody? You say hi to everybody? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they love you. They do. They love you, babies. They love you like that. I know you'd tear them up. I know you'd tear them up. You crazy little man. All right, I gotta lock up. Tools are most likely used, not in here. Hope you enjoy the show. Oh my God, I need help at this door. Come on. Here we go. Whew. Yep. You all have that neighbor that their dog is better than them. Who's a good boy? What are you doing, you silly boy? What's this? What's this, a prance? You have a little neighbor, you have a little raceway? You have a little raceway? Oh, you go, boy, huh? We'll make your YouTube famous, Cypress? Huh? Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that gap, huh? Yeah. My ticket would have already dug through that a long time ago. Yeah. We'll clean those eye buggers off. We got you. There we go. I got gloves on. How about nice deep air cleaning? Oh, we like that. Hey, get over here. What? Hey, you don't like Jeeps? Ooh, you don't like Jeeps. How many of us do? Not bad. He certainly don't like them though. Yeah, we'll get some yard work done. You know, before these little suckers take over. Can't get them off. All right, Zeus. No more fancy stuff. Oh my God, this is falling apart. That ain't good. That ain't good. No, personal space. So this is your sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. You want it? Sit. Sit. Zeus. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. No, that's down. No, that's down. Sit. Roll over. Speak. Paw. Do something. All right, look good. How about look handsome? Can you look handsome? What's that? What's it? Oh, sit. No, sit. Okay. Have a great day.